Rare case of simultaneous occurrence of periampullary distal cholangiocarcinoma and mucinous cystadenocarcinoma of the ovary. By Bhavya Kataria. Background: ovarian epithelial tumors primarily originate from the surface epithelium of the ovary. These tumors account for around 60% of all ovarian malignancies. The epithelium has the inherent ability to differentiate into serous, mucinous, endometrioid, clear cell, or transitional epithelium, and therefore can give rise to benign, borderline, or malignant tumors of these types. The combined outcome of serous and mucinous tumors accounts for approximately 30% of all ovarian malignancies. Approximately 20 to 50% of serous tumors have bilateral characteristics, with the majority of these being borderline tumors. However, it is exceedingly rare for both ovaries to simultaneously contribute to primary tumors with different histology. This recent presentation focuses on a case of bilateral ovarian cystadenomas with serous and mucinous histotypes. Based on our extensive understanding, this particular case is only the second one of its nature to have been documented in the existing body of literature. Case presentation: this case report provides a detailed description of the clinical features, diagnostic methods, and outcome of a patient who had both periampullary distal cholangiocarcinoma and mucinous cystadenocarcinoma of the ovary. This case emphasizes the significance of taking into account uncommon combinations of tumors and brings attention to the diagnostic difficulties and restricted therapeutic choices in such instances. Conclusions: this case report also provides an outline of the present indication on periampullary distal cholangiocarcinoma and mucinous cystadenocarcinoma, particularly concentrating on biological features, histological characteristics, and available data guiding current and upcoming therapeutic approaches for these rare and still barely known tumors. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.